We going? Alright, sweet. Okay, so this is the move that I made up for Sarcastic Dragonite. I mean, I think it resembles a Dragonite pretty well. I'm not able to individually explain why each part resembles a Dragonite, but I mean, this looks kind of like wings, I think. And so, I mean, this is, it's a bunch of different moves put into one. I think that really symbolizes how a Dragonite can learn a bunch of different moves. And this move is one of the more difficult moves that explains like how a Dragonite is really, you know, hard to train. The move where it spins around your thumb is luck. I have no idea why that symbolizes a Dragonite. I don't know, so that is Sarcastic Dragonite. Sarcastic Dragonite's signature move. Feels good, bro.